Ooh, y'all, I have something for you. We worked this wig. You have to stay tuned if you want to see what I did to achieve this look. But you guys, this wig did not have to come at it like this. It was so easy, so simple and quick. And that ponytail, baby, it makes very little sense for that ponytail to look like that on this T-part wig, y'all. I got the information that you need right now. You have entered my inner thoughts. Ladies and gentlemen, not only is this wig fly, not only is she fresh, not only is she spectabulous, fabulous, but baby is affordable too. Ooh, and the church say amen. Okay, bye. Hi guys, so let me just tell you what this wig is as you just watch me style it in a couple different ways. This is Sensationel's new Precut series, just wear and go. That's what they say, that's how they're coming at it. This is their first unit 1, and it is pre-cut. The lace is pre-cut, which means you don't have all that extra lace hanging down the slope of your forehead. That's what it means. They also use smaller knots, you guys, which have been pre-plucked. They say pre-tweezed, but yeah, pre-plucked. This is a glueless lace wig. It is crafted with 100% premium fiber, which means it's aesthetic, but it's not aesthetic, okay? I have the color Secret Highlight Ginger. Y'all already know how I feel about the gingers and the browns and the reds. They just work with your girl, okay? Okay. Now, let me just tell you about this. The purpose of this is it's supposed to be a throw and go. But y'all, come on now. Y'all know that lace ain't right. Y'all know we gonna have to put a dollop of color upon that lace, okay? It's nice that they cut it. That they might be blessed for that. But at the end of the day, I don't know if anybody's face is that color, okay? We gonna need some human colors. All right, we just are, okay? Now, although the wig is pre-cut, if you want to be ignorant on top of ignorant like me, you may have to trim a little bit more. Now, you do not have to, okay? You do not have to. This is just another step if you prefer to use your own ear tabs. That's how I do my wigs, especially when it's about to be glueless, okay? I want it to look as seamless as possible. Now, it was a hump. You know how they be like, put a hump in your back end? Well, they didn't mean on the wig, and there was a hump on the top of it. So I had to go ahead and put a little heat to it. I believe I am on 375 right there. Remember, aesthetic, okay? It feels good, it looks good, and sometimes you will forget that it's aesthetic and put the heat on full blast. You don't want to do that, okay? You don't want to do that. So I'm just doing a little bit of trimming so that everything works for the good of those that love the Lord, okay? Now, again, you don't have to do this. It just depends on what it looks like on you against your skin. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's that. That just had to be done for me. Now, this is a T-part wig, so your part is going to be in the middle, okay? You can't go off to the side with pride. You may wish to, can't. You may think about it, can't, okay? You may have dreamt about it, can't, all right? I just need everyone underneath the sound of my voice to understand that. Just keep it in the middle, okay? So you do not need to cut. You don't need to trim again. That's their thing, just wear and go. I want to make that clear. The trimming that I did, you do not have to do, okay? You don't. It does come with an elastic band, but it's not adjustable. It's kind of like a one size sort of thing. And I have a small domology, so it's really just kind of holding it on there barely, okay? It's not like that. You know what I'm saying? It's not doing it like we hold on to God's unchanging hand. It's not holding on like that. All right. It's just barely getting by. But it's fine. Okay. If you have plans to shout or fight, I would put on the wig grip cap. I would also suggest shouting rather than fighting, because fighting is what? Ugly. Okay. Now, that part goes back 5 inches, and it's like that. Moses would be pleased. Okay. That part is like that. I didn't tweeze. I didn't do anything to that part. Y'all look at this wig. Look at this wig. They did that. Sensational did that. I am thoroughly pleased, and I cannot wait to try the other units, because if this one is coming at it like this, and this is unit number 1 of their Precut series, now I will say the density is just normal. Okay, it's just normal. There's nothing extra about the density, okay? Which is a plus for some people. So, bam. It's not bald head scallywag, okay? But you know what I'm saying? It's just there. You know, it's enough, all right? It's enough here. Y'all, that color, I love it. I picked the perfect color for myself. The way that I do things, how I do things. I like it. You guys, the hair feels really good. I didn't have like the shedding and the tangles. Y'all know I'm gonna top it off with a little oil sheen. Why? Because I'm around the way fillet. Okay? Bam. I like my wigs sometimes to look good and greasy like they just got baptized. Period. Now, y'all, something told me, see if you can put it in a ponytail. Sometimes you gotta listen to that inner voice. It's guiding you. Now, I don't know who needs to hear this now. When it guides you, you must go. Y'all, look how beautiful this ponytail is. This is before the little tendrils in the front. Look at that. Look at the boy. That ponytail ain't have to hit it like that. Wait till y'all see the other content where, you know, on my other platforms and stuff like that. It's over with, y'all. Let me know in the comments what color you gonna get, because y'all go get this wig. Listen to me. Hear me what I say. Go get this wig. You are going to like it. Plop it on. Get your color to match. Brush through it. Be done with it. You on your way to the post office to get your stamps. It's nothing. Y'all let me know what you think. All right? Peace, love, light.